Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit or change an image in PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open our PDF file. Now edit this image. Select this tools option and select edit PDF option. Now click on this image and select and select this image. Now select. Now you can increase decrease this image size and double arrow. I will show you and see this. Also you can increase decrease same image ratio. Hold shift key for your keyboard and increase decrease and see this. Also you can rotate this image, click this rotate icon and see this. Also you can mirror vertically, horizontally. Also you can crop this image. Select this crop option and crop box and see this. Image now crop. Now select and see this. Image now crop. Also you can move this image anywhere. See this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.